Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
In this video, we are going to press our bottle opener right after this. And we're back. So today we are going to press our bottle opener. It is 0.77 inches by 2.47 inches. Meredith is going to take you through the process.
Okay, first you're going to want to remove that protective film. And then we're going to adhere it to our design with the thermal tape. And then we are going to press image side down. And we're going to press at 400 degrees for 45 seconds.
So for the bottle opener, this is more of a handheld bottle opener. Has a nice bevel here, nice shape to hold on to. And then this part actually comes off, so I'm going to take this off while we wait for it to press so we can hear it after. So there's just a little film here for adhesive, and you just pull that right off. So this section is an adhesive portion. And then the great part about it is it is also a magnet. So it will hook to your fridge. So we're just gonna wait for that insert to be done. And Mary's gonna use her gloves because it will be a little hot when it does come off of the press.
Okay, and you're going to want to remove your image immediately. We'll let it cool off, and then we will put it on the magnet. There is a little ridge in here, so if you use this to guide your insert, you'll make sure to get it on straight, because once it's down for good. And there you go. Okay, now we'll let Jamie do the fun part.
Yes, so the fun part is you get just stick it right on the fridge. And there you go. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.